Hello. Today I'm going to be cleaning up one of the vent systems in my sister's room. This is my younger sister's room. It used to be my older sister's room, but you know, let's not talk about that situation. But no. So as a way to help out, I decided to, do this thing. So I don't know. So anyway, here I set my ladder. I got my vacuum. I've got my stuff. I've got my tool here. That's a little multi-tool. It comes with this thing. All right. Put that up there. And then I've got my little flat tip. So I checked that out, and it is a cross tip screw. So we're going to be using the cross tip screw or Phillips head. But I'm going to be honest, call it the cross tip. I mean, there's the flat tip and the cross tip. You're going to tell me like, hey, the Phillips, this one. Okay, is it the flat tip or the cross tip? Because I'm sorry if I'm not going to catch your little jargon because you want to name it after some dude who happened to invent it thousands of years ago. It's a cross tip screwdriver, all right? Like, damn, chill. Okay, so anyway. So now I'm going to peel this thing off. All right, so hold up. Find this thing. Okay, climb this ladder. And I'm going to, there it is. So let's peel this off. Okay. All right. Okay, see? There's a tape there. For some reason, my sister put tape on here. And now I'm going to hold up. Let me see if I can. Okay. Oh, wait. I can't do it. Okay. It's a little hard to do with one hand. There. Okay. I am left-handed, but that means I am really bad with my right hand, so I need both hands to. It's a little stiff. Jeez. It's like these things are super tight. Okay, hold up. Oh. This door is dirty. Oh, I need to clean that up. Alright, so can you see me here? I wonder if I can put it right here. Alright. You know what, maybe I'll do like a selfie thing. Alright. Okay. It's sitting on the top shelf. Okay. Okay. Jeez, this thing is so long. Okay, I'm unscrewing this. Here. All right, don't do that. Maybe I should grab a screwdriver. Why is it so long? Jeez. And this is crooked. It's coming out crooked. I really need to work out. Yeah, there's some. It's like crooked. I don't know why. See that? It's coming out like at an angle. I don't know if you can see it from here. Oh, anyway. All right. That's actually came out crooked. That's weird. All right. So then I'm going to This thing is glued on here. Is that normal? Maybe that's normal? Oh my God, it's glued on. Aren't vents supposed to come off? So apparently this thing is glued on. I'm gonna have to get, this is a multi-tool, so I'm just gonna get a flat hand. See if I can wiggle it out. It looks like it's on there pretty good. All right. Oh, all right. See that? That was on there. That was down there. Let's see. Okay. So this is not coming off at all. So I'm just gonna open this. Why isn't this thing coming off? So this thing does not come off. All right. Okay, part 2 on trying to clean out these vents and wondering where that nasty, funky smell's coming from. I'm gonna hit pause. Okay, so I got 2 flashlights. I got this flashlight and I got this light. I'm gonna be honest, this one's a lot brighter. This one's not even that good, so I'm not gonna even use that one. All right, you're gonna stand over there, buddy. Okay, so here I am, here I am. All right, so I'm gonna, let's see, wait, I'm gonna need you. This goes straight to the ceiling. Huh. It looks like it's clean. I just can't get this thing off. Okay. Well, I guess this means I can't really clean the vents. I'll just vacuum a little bit of cobweb you saw in there. Other than that, it looks pretty good actually. Alright, what do I do? How do I turn this off? Is it this one? Oh, here it is.